Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making barbecue chicken, spatchcock chicken. This means you're just butterflying it out. So show you how to do that. So yeah, we're gonna smoke some chicken. Show you how we'll butterfly it out. So normally you can take the back right off, but I want the flavor in the back, so I'm just gonna keep it on. Flip it over. It's gonna make a slit kind of right through the back. Take the keel bone out. There's a little breastbone part. Take that out. And this is all we're doing to the chicken. Butterflying it out. And then we're going to smoke it just like this. Transferring it to a plate, and then we're going to season it up. Same thing with the other one. Simple seasoning. So we're just going to do Cajun. And of course, Beaumont's favorite spices. Montreal steak spice, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, rosemary, sage, thyme, a little bit of that on there. Check out our smoker. Make sure we're at temp. You want to put in the smoker at about 225. Going to toss the chicken on the smoker. Gonna let that go for about an hour and a half. Finish the chicken in the oven. Chicken. The chickens just came out of the smoker. Oil in a pan, grease pan. That's so Mr. Chicken don't stick. Toss the chicken there. Toss them to a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour and have a look at them. But I'm pretty sure they'll take about an hour. Pull the chicken out. Smelling good. All right. Look at that. Lovely chicken. Putting some gravy on the chicken. And check out my shorts for the chicken sides. Lots of sides for the chicken. Yeah, I call it my veggie sides. Give the chicken a try. Breast is pretty good. You know, if we have a smoky flavor, that's what I was going for. And that's how Beaumont makes barbecue, smoked, oven roasted chicken. Very nice. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love you, and do make some lovely smoked oven roasted chicken. This is my dinner. Bye.